5 differences between an entrepreneur and a manager. First, role and focus. Entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is an individual who identifies opportunities, takes risks, and establishes a new business venture. Their primary focus is on innovation, creating value, and driving growth in their startup. Manager. A manager is responsible for organizing and coordinating the activities of a business or department. Their primary focus is on planning, organizing, and controlling resources to achieve predetermined goals. Second, risk-taking. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs are known for embracing risks and uncertainty. They often invest their own capital, time, and effort into their ventures, accepting the potential for both success and failure. Manager. Managers generally prefer to minimize risks and maintain stability within an established business. They are more concerned with mitigating risks and ensuring operational efficiency. Third, ownership and control. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs typically have a high degree of ownership and control over their ventures. They are often the founders or co-founders of the business and have the final say in decision-making. Manager. Managers operate within a predefined organizational structure and are accountable to higher-level executives or business owners. They have limited ownership and control over the overall direction and strategy of the business. Fourth, vision and innovation. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs are driven by their vision and passion for creating something new. They are often focused on bringing innovative ideas to life and disrupting existing markets. Manager. While managers may contribute to the development and implementation of new ideas, their primary role is to execute strategies and operational plans that align with the organization's goals. Fifth, long-term perspective. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs typically have a long-term perspective and are willing to invest significant time and resources into their ventures, even if they may not see immediate returns. They aim to build sustainable businesses and create lasting impact. Manager. Managers often operate within shorter time frames and are responsible for achieving short to medium-term objectives. They focus on optimizing performance within existing frameworks and processes. It's important to note that these differences are not absolute, and there can be overlap between the roles of an entrepreneur and a manager in certain contexts. Additionally, individuals can transition between these roles at different stages of their careers or within different business environments. Thank you for watching.